Hi friends, in this Fiverr gig promotion video, I'm going to share with you a powerful website where you can promote your Fiverr gigs and get or increase your Fiverr gig orders that will make you hundreds or even thousands of dollars online using Fiverr freelancing. So if you're new to Fiverr freelancing, maybe you just created your Fiverr gig and you've not made any money, you've not gotten any orders, then you're on the right video, because in this video I'm going to show you how to promote your Fiverr gigs and make money online using Fiverr freelancing. So let's get started with the video. So all you need to do here is to watch this video all the way to the end and do not skip any part, because every part of this video is going to be really powerful that if you listen to and you watch, it will help you to make money online as a Fiverr freelancer. So here is my YouTube channel, as you can see, and what I do on this channel is to create videos around making money online. It covers Fiverr freelancing, CPA marketing, and affiliate marketing. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, I definitely urge you to subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification, watch my other videos, because they will help you to make money online as a freelancer, as a CPA marketer, and as an affiliate marketer. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch my other videos. So the website I'm going to be showing you today that we'll be using to promote our Fiverr gigs is a website called Quora.com. And if you don't know what Quora is, it is a question and answer website where people come to ask questions that they need help to. And if you can search for those questions that people are asking that's related to your Fiverr gig services, then you can answer those questions and link them back to your Fiverr offers, where you can offer them those services and make money online as a freelancer on Fiverr. So let me pull up my similar web browser here, similar web extension, to show you the kind of people, the kind of traffic that comes to Quora every single month. As you can see, Quora is the 60th website in the entire world, and it's ranking number 42 in the United States, and in the category of referenced materials, it's ranking number 2. And if I scroll down a little bit, I will show you how many people that comes to this website every single month. As you can see, this website gets 788 million people's 788 million monthly visits that comes to this website. That means this website is a very powerful website that has millions of people that comes here every single month to ask questions, answer questions, and if you can link them back to where they can get solution, then you can make money off of this website. As you can see, this website has around 40.9, that's around 41% of the traffic that comes to this website is coming from the United States, also from the United Kingdom, from Canada and Australia. That means you can see that this website is a very powerful website that if you can use it wisely, you can make money online as a Fiverr freelancer. So what we are going to use is to search for questions related to our Fiverr gigs. And as you can see, here is Fiverr, here is my dashboard on Fiverr. And don't worry, I'm going to link a link to Fiverr in the description of this video. I'll put a link to Fiverr there. So when you click on that link, create your Fiverr account, create your Fiverr gig, and you'll be set to go. So what we'll do is to search for a question related to our Fiverr gig on Quora. And for this example, I have a gig created in logo design niche. So we're going to assume that our question we want to answer is in the logo design niche. So what I will do is to search for a question related to logo design here on Quora. So I will search for a question: how do I find a good logo designer? So as you can see, after I type that question, Quora will automatically pop up several questions that people have asked on this website before that's related to the one we just typed. So as you can see, this is a question that says, how do I find a good logo designer in Indeed? How do I find a good logo designer? So I will click on this and we will see other questions that we can answer. So as you can see, there are over 790 people that are following this question. So if you answer this question, 790 people are going to see your answer. And if you answer it correctly and link it to your Fiverr services, then the readers of this question, this 79 people, are going to read your answers, and if they are interested in the service you're providing them, they will order your services on Fiverr, and you will make money as a Fiverr freelancer. As you can see, here are other related questions. This one says, who are the best logo designers? This one says, where can I hire a logo designer online? This is another powerful question. So I'm going to open this question in a new tab. This one says, what is a good logo designer? This one says, who do I find the best professional logo designer? How do I find the best professional logo designer? This is another good question. So I'll open it in the new tab as well. As you can see, the other question has 176 people following it, and the other question has 18 people following it. So what we are going to do is to answer these three questions and link them back to our Fiverr gig services that's in logo design. So what we are going to be doing today is to use ChatGPT. If you can use ChatGPT to write it, or you can write a detailed answer by yourself that will explain your Fiverr gig services, your Fiverr gig offers, and how you can offer it correctly to people, then I urge you to write it by yourself, a very detailed answer. But we can use an AI to write this answer for us. So what I'm going to do in this example is to show you a website, a powerful website, a free AI tool that is designed to answer questions on Quora. So that website or that AI tool is called copymatic.com. I will put a link to copymatic.com.ai in the description of this video. So click on that link and it will bring you to this page, copymatic.ai. Once you get to this page, create an account for free and then click on where it says all tools. Once you click on where it says all tools, you can see that this website or this AI tool, you can use it to do several things. It's a very powerful one. I urge you to use the link in the description of this video to create an account here, and you'll get to this page. As you can see, you can use this AI tool to create articles. You can use it to write blog posts. You can use it to edit content. You can use it to rewrite content. And if I scroll down a little bit, you can see that there are several things you can use it to do. You can use it to write paragraphs. You can use it to generate paragraphs. You can use it to write blog section. You can use it to write blog title. You can use it to write blog outlines. You can use it to write blog intros. You can use it to write many other things. And what we are going to do in this example is to scroll down to where it will ask us to use it to write Quora answers. So I'm going to scroll down until I see where it says Quora answers. I will click on this, and once it pops up, I'm going to look at what it says there. It says Quora answers generate creative answers based on a question from Quora. So I'm going to minimize this so to give us only one answer. Yes. So it's now asking us to drop the Quora question here. So I'll go back to Quora. I will copy the Quora question. Let's copy that question. Go over to copymatic.com and paste that answer right here. I will click on generate. Now, as you can see, copymatic.ai is generating our answer to the Quora question. As you can see, it has written a professional answer to our Quora question. This is a detailed answer. Guys, as you can see, it has written 11 different steps on how they can find a good logo designer. And what we will do is to copy this answer, paste back into Quora, then link it to our Fiverr gig so that we can make money online doing this. So I will copy my answer right here, go over to Quora.com, click on where it says answer, and I will paste in my answer. I'll simply paste my answer right here, and at the bottom of it, I'm going to delete this link right here, and at the bottom of it I will go over to my Fiverr gig. I'll switch over to selling, and I'll click on one of my gigs here so I can link my gig. I'll click on one of my gig. Let's click on this, and this is the link to one of my gigs. So I'll copy the link to my gig, go over to Quora, and then at the bottom of the page or at anywhere I can put in my link. So let's say I put in my link at the bottom of the page right here. I'm going to put in my link like this, and I'll click on post. Once that answer has been posted, then people are going to be reading your answer, and while they are reading their answer, at the bottom of the page they will see a link to your Fiverr gig. Or you can simply ask them to, if they want a service from you, or if they want the best logo designer, they should click on that link and order their services from that guy, and they will get a discount from that. So that's how you can influence them and persuade them into buying from you on Fiverr. So what we're going to do is to choose credentials. Okay, I'm going to choose this, and I'll click on done. When you click on that, now this answer is now live, and anybody that reads this answer will now see your Fiverr gig link in the description at the bottom of the page. And once they click on that link, they will land on your Fiverr profile, and once they order your Fiverr services, you can make money online on Fiverr. So that's how to promote your gig, to write your answer using this AI to this free AI to call copymatic.com. So if you're interested in this software, in this AI software, I'll put a link to it in the description of this video, and from there you will get like 1,500 free words to write for your free trial. After then, if you upgrade, then you have all the options to use this tool. They have almost more than 82 different AI tools that you can use on this website, both writing a description for your YouTube videos, writing social media content, writing your blog titles, writing your articles, anything that has to do with writing or generating image. You can use this software to do it. So that's how to do it. So if you can use ChatGPT also, you can use ChatGPT to do the same thing. So what I'm going to do with ChatGPT, I'm going to ask ChatGPT, do you know about Quora? I will click on send. It says absolutely. Quora is a question and answer platform where users can ask questions on various topics, and the community provide answers. Okay, that means ChatGPT knows about Quora.com. So I'll come back again and ask ChatGPT, I want you to write a detailed answer to a Quora question. Can you do that? If yes, ask me for the question. Hit enter. And ChatGPT has now said, absolutely, I do be delighted to help you craft a detailed answer for a Quora question. Please go ahead and share the question you do like me to address, and I'll do my best to provide you with a creative and comprehensive response. So we're going to go over to our Quora again, and I will copy this question. I'll copy it, go over to chatgpt.com, paste it, and click enter. Now you can see ChatGPT is now writing a detailed answer on how to find the best logo design. So ChatGPT has written this. As you can see, it's putting the name of the site where these services can be found. So what you will do is to take the Fiverr on, then put a link to your Fiverr gig at the bottom or somewhere within the answer that ChatGPT has generated. Then come back to your Quora, click on answer, paste in your answer, put the link to your Fiverr gig, then click on post, and your post will be live to millions of people here on Quora. So that's how to promote your Fiverr gig services on Quora and make money online as a freelancer. So that's it about this video. Thank you once again for watching. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and drop a comment below this video asking or telling me your opinion about the video, what you want me to make next videos about, and see you in my next video.